Welcome to Euroanaesthesia, the virtual congress. Here we are in the lobby. From the lobby, you can get to different areas within the congress, just like any normal congress. Starting with the live stream, these are the live sessions that will be aired throughout the 3 days of the congress. After they are aired, you can view them directly on the on-demand section. Here you can view them as often and any time you'd like. These are complete with the Q&A from the live streams. We have the e-posters, where you can view the abstracts and recordings, and the scientific program, a complete overview of all the sessions and their timings that you can find throughout the Congress. Here you have the CME credits. By clicking here, you can review and claim your credits. Please note that you only have until December 2nd inclusive to claim your CME credits. After this date, it'll no longer be possible. From here, you can visit the ESAIC Hub, and you can see all about the different activities within the ESAIC. By clicking on one of these areas, you can find more information, PDFs, videos, and more. Here you can see there's all these different types of content. In the corner, you'll see these little bags. This is your Congress bag. By clicking on the icon, you will add one of these items into your Congress bag. You can also find your Congress bag here in the small menu bar. By clicking here, you can see all of the items that have been added to your bag. You can view them, share them, or remove them. We also have our help desk. Should you have any questions throughout the 3 days of the Congress, we're here to help. You can find us in the lobby or also on our menu bar. Simply click on Help Desk, and you can see that we have our attendee support. If you're industry and exhibitor, we also have special support, as well as for our speakers. Simply click on here and type in your question. Someone will be able to answer you during our operating hours, which is 7:30 a.m. until 7 p.m. Central European Time. Outside of those hours, you'll have to send us an email, or you can check out our FAQ section, where we have the most commonly asked questions and answers. You can also see that we have Euroanaesthesia TV this year. Euroanaesthesia TV is the second year in a row where we're highlighting the different sessions and different areas of the Congress. We encourage you to check it out during the time in between sessions. Also new this year, we will have a new game where you have the potential to win a free registration for Euroanaesthesia 2021. Delegates will have the opportunity to earn points by interacting and exploring the different booths, rooms, and content in our virtual Congress. The highest point earner on each day of the Congress will win a free ticket to Euroanaesthesia 2021. So simply by going through our different rooms in the exhibition, the ESAIC Hub, within the lobby, and even our help desk will earn you points. Please note that the sponsored sessions, live stream, CME credits, on-demand, e-posters, and scientific program will not earn you points. Here up top, you can see our scoreboard, which has the name of all the participants and their points. You'll also be able to find yourself on here. Each day, we will tally the highest point earner, and that person will win free registration to Munich 2021 for next year. Speaking of delegates, you can see all of our attendees who are attending the Congress at the time that you're online. If you go back to our menu bar, you will see the attendee list. And here, you can interact with the people who are currently online. Simply click on their name, and you can either send them a message or an email. Don't worry, we don't share any of your information with anyone. This is completely blind to the other person. But should you want to share your contact information, you can provide that to them directly yourselves. If you click on the chat function, you can see the little chat box will pop up, and you're able to add a message here. You can also add more people to the group simply by clicking on this button and clicking on that name. You can tell that someone has sent you a message when you hear the little doorbell ring. We encourage you to look around the different areas and different rooms within the Congress. There's lots to be found this year, and by doing so, you can earn points and possibly win a free registration for next year. Thank you again for attending Euroanaesthesia 2020, and we look forward to a great 3 days.